seen my part 1 counting squares, I have given the link at the description. Now let's go into our today's video. In our previous video, we have learned to count the square when the rows, the columns were equal. In this video, the rows, the columns were not equal. So I have another way to count that. Now let's start from this box. Now let's start to count the rows. 1, 2, 3. The rows are 3. Now we'll count the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Now we'll multiply 3 and 4. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Now we have to decrease 1 from 3 and 4. That will become 2 multiplied by 3. That is equal to 6. Now I can decrease 1 from 2 and 3. That would become 1 multiplied by 2. That would equal to 2. So whenever the 1 comes in rows or columns, we have to stop from there. How I stopped here. Now add 12, 6 and 2 here. 12 plus 6 plus 2 equals 20. So there are 20 squares here. Now we'll take another example here. Now we'll start counting the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rows are 5. Now we'll start counting the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So now we'll multiply 5 and 7. 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. Now decrease 1 from 5 and 7. That will become 4 multiplied by 6. That is equal to 24. Now I can decrease 1 from 4 and 6. That would become 3 multiplied by 5. That is equal to 15. Now decrease 1 from 3 and 5. That would become 22 multiplied by 4 equals 8. Again decrease 1 from 2 and 4. That would become 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3. Now we have to stop. Now we'll add these. 35 multiplied by 24 is 35 plus 24 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3 equals 85. So there are 85 boxes here. You can use this method to count squares in a bigger box. I hope it is easy to count squares. Like my video, subscribe my video and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.